Friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we'll be going to see the syllabus, and in this syllabus what I am going to tell you is reference books for every chapter. Okay, and those books I will provide you in the PDF form, okay, in my Telegram channel. So join that MSC biochemistry group where you can able to find all the reference book PDF, and from that you can make your own notes. Okay, as well as I will provide some notes. We'll be going to see for which chapter you need to refer which kind of book, and which chapter will contain the long answer the most, and what are the long answers, how we have to prepare for this. We'll be going to see everything in detail in this video. Okay, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel and share my channel with your friends, and do hit the bell icon to receive such notifications like this. Okay, so let's see the 101 paper. Okay, we'll be having 4 papers in this syllabus, right? 4 papers we have. So here you can see these 4 papers we have. First we'll be going to see the chemistry of biomolecules. Okay, here in the chemistry of biomolecule you can see the credit 1. Okay, this whole credit 1 you can get from U Satnarayana. Okay, you can read this from U Satnarayana. Okay, credit 1, and here you can see the topic, that is 8th topic, GN Ramachandran plot. This you can't find in the U Satnarayana, and this roles of chaperones in folding, this you cannot find in the U Satnarayana. These topics are not there, and apart from that, what topics are not there? Cyclic peptide about gramicidin, it is not there. Okay, so these are the topics which is not included, which I will give you the notes. Okay, rest topics you can prepare from U Satnarayana. Okay, now we'll be going to see the another chapter, that is about carbohydrates. Okay, this carbohydrates I guess you have studied in the degree also. Okay, in your degree, right? So this whole you can study from U Satnarayana. That is the actually U Satnarayana is the basic book for biochemistry, and you can refer that. Okay, so you can read this whole chapter from U Satnarayana. Okay, here only 14 topic might be not available. Rest of the topics are available in the U Satnarayana. You can able to read all these topics from there, and this topic I will give you as a PDF format, my notes. Okay, I'm having the notes, I'll give you that. Okay, and in this lipids and porphyrins you can find all these topics in U Satnarayana, but the one thing is oil and waxes isoprene unit, the 7th one is not completely given. It is very short form, so I'll give you in a long form, how to write in a long format, I will give you that. And about this steroid relation of vitamin D, it is there in the U Satnarayana. And this structure and function of porphyrin of heme, it is there in the I guess 9th or 19th, what porphyrin unit is there in U Satnarayana. In that you can find this. And about chlorophyll we can learn from internet as well, otherwise I'll give you this notes. And this is also thromboxane, leukotriene, prostaglandin, cerebroside, ganglioside, it is present in your Satnarayana. From that you can refer. So for the paper 1 you need to refer U Satnarayana. Okay, it is basic one, so you need to refer U Satnarayana. Some topics which I have said, you will get the notes of mine. Okay, I'll give you that notes. Now if we talk about the paper 2, that is 1 or 2, that is all about the endocrinology. Okay, here you need to go endocrinology through the book MN Chatterjee. You should refer for 1 or 2 MN Chatterjee. In that you can able to find all these things. Disorders, yes, in MN Chatterjee medical book you will have some deep knowledge in that. Okay, you can read it in a deep way. And if you want just to score, if you want to score just, you don't want to gain much knowledge, you just need to score, then you go with the U Satnarayana for this chapter as well. Okay, MN Chatterjee is best if you seek a knowledge from that. And for vitamins, you can refer MN Chatterjee also here. That is a very good given in there, in that book, you know, everything with the structures and all. But at my time I have referred you Satnarayana because I was not having much time for preparation, as I was preparing just 7 days before the examination. So that's why I referred the you Satnarayana to read this. So you can refer that you Satnarayana for this if you want to score good in a less time. You can go with that. And in this nucleic acid, D loop, R loop will not be available. Catalytic RNA is not there in U Satnarayana, and this TM factor Scott curves is also not available there. So I'll provide all the rest of the things. Heteroduplex mapping also I'll provide you the notes, but rest of the things you can prefer for U Satnarayana. Okay, and we'll be going to see about the 103 unit. In this 103 paper you can refer what for this 103, you will see this starting papers, you know, about cyanobacteria mycoplasma you can get from RP Singh of microbiology book. If you have a library in your college, go and get those books. That books will be very helpful. And this heterochromatin, euchromatin, cell cycle, mitosis, meiosis you can get from your second year intermediate book. In your botany book you can able to find this all things there. So from there you can read this. And apoptosis, regulation of apoptosis, I already told you a video, and I'm really sorry for that video because in the last my voice wouldn't come properly. I don't know what is the reason behind that. Suddenly it got stopped, so I'll make another video for that. And for this second credit, this credit is totally botany base. From here membrane transport you can know that, liposome, micelles you can get it from your previous book. Whether by the way, this some other chapters, hydropathy plot, transmembrane protein, these are actually the long answers which you will get. Membrane didactics is sixth one. So those are the very important thing. I'll provide you this notes because these are actually not there in your previous notes as well. You have to refer different books for this topics. For all 15 topics you need to refer different books. So I'll provide the notes of this. And for this credit 3, if you studied a degree as from a biochemistry, as a biochemistry student, you would have this uh, you know, all the topics in your previous semesters. These are all degree based topics which you have already studied. So if you are having notes of degree, then you are very, that would be very beneficial for you because that will come into a work for studying these all topics. And if you don't have, no worries, I'll provide you the PDF. Okay. mm, and for 104, for 104 it is actually based of bioanalytical techniques. Total chapter for all the 3 units you need to, for all the 3 credits or units you need to refer bioanalytical technique book by Upadhyay. Upadhyay is a book which you need to refer for all these 3 chapters. It is completely there in that, completely you can get it from there. But the credit 3 you won't get from there. In the credit 3, the things like plant tissue culture, animal, insect tissue culture, this you need to study from your botany book, second year intermediate book. And this electron microscopy, fluorescence microscopy, these microscopy things you need to study from RP Singh of your microbiology book. RP Singh microbiology book will come on any shop. If you go there, you need to check that uh, microscopy in the index. If it is there, you need to buy that. So all this microscopy you can find there, or otherwise it is also there in other books as well, so you can learn from that. And this from FRAT, FRAP, from these to this, all things will be, you need to study from internet or through your previous books. That is from 12 topic to this is from your intermediate book. So this is what I discuss about the reference topics of all for the first semester. And if you have any doubts, you can ask me. And if you're new on my channel, please subscribe my channel, share my channel with your friends. Thanks for watching.